Doctors, today we are moving on to the fourth episode in the chemistry, and the chapter name is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. Some basic concepts of chemistry. In that, we are going to look into the problems. So, as I earlier mentioned, problems are not that difficult. There are people who are doing it for JEE or IIT. Those are all little difficult. But for you, it is not that difficult. But there will be some formulas which you have to remember and just you have to do it. So please follow it so that you get very high marks and you'll make a difference between your friends and yourself, and so that you will be able to get the best colleges in your own town. Let's move on to the first question. The chapter name is Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry. The number of atoms in helium is 100 units of He. Atomic mass of helium is 4U. Option A 25, option B 50, option C 100, option D 400. Moving on to the second question, calculate the amount of water produced by the combustion of 32 grams of methane. Option A 36 grams, option B 72 grams, option C 18 grams, option D 10 grams. Third question, for a reaction A plus 2B gives C, when 5 moles of A and 8 moles of B reacts together, how many moles of C will be formed? Option A 1 mole, option B 2 moles, option C 3 moles, and option D 4 moles. Next question. Calculate the molality of a solution by dissolving 0.850 grams of ammonia, that is within bracket NH3, is 100 grams of water. Option A 0.5 m, option B 0.6 m, option C 0.7 m, option D 0.8 m. Fifth question, calculate the number of molecules in 2.5 moles of water. Option A 15.06 into 10 to the power of 23. Option B 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. Option C 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23. Option D 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23. Question 6. How many moles of hydrogen is required to produce 10 moles of ammonia? Option A 15 moles, option B 30 moles, option C 45 moles, option D 60 moles. Interesting question, isn't it? Some basic concepts of chemistry. Last question, that is seventh question. The number of molecules in 66 grams of carbon dioxide is option A 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23, option B 1.504 into 10 to the power of 23, option C 9.033 into 10 to the power of 23, option D 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23. Almost all the questions are not that difficult. It's easy. So you can do it. Answers will be given tomorrow. You can become a doctor.